So major life updates. It finally happened. Someone fell for me. Someone actually fell for me today. I was going to office. I checked the weather and it was -1 degree. And then if you scroll down for another 4 pages, it says that it feels like -7 because it's gonna snow. So okay, I wasn't wearing my snow boots. And there has been black ice everywhere, which I didn't see because who looks down when you have to walk? You're supposed to lift our head up and fall. Usually, all the times in my life that I have fallen on my back, I've fallen on my butt. But this time, instead of falling back, I thought I'll be able to balance myself, but of course I couldn't. I fell. Imagine there's a pool in front of you, which is probably 30 feet, and you're taking a dive. So I sort of took a dive on the black ice. So now I'm on the ground and I'm not able to get up because how will you? Like now, to my surprise, there was this girl, very kind, the gods bless her heart, tried to help me. Now there was a problem here. She was probably not the best person to help me out in this situation. She's half my size. She's probably half my weight. She was standing on black ice and I was already on the ground. And within the next 3 seconds, she was also on the ground right in front of me and probably fell in even worse way because when I fell, only 3 people looked. When she fell, there was a crowd. Now there's say 5-6 people looking at both of us struggling, but now nobody is willing to help. Now the problem here is this girl somehow manages to get up. She looks at me as if it's my fault that she's fallen there. Me falling before her, wasn't it an alarm already for her to avoid me and sort of save her life when she knew that she's not wearing winter boots? Now girl, I can barely take care of one idiot at a time. What were you thinking when you knew that you weren't wearing snow boots? You thought I was taking a water dive on a snow panel, like this was fun. I could feel the blood flowing out of my body this time. Usually it rushes to the head, but this time it was oozing out. And she doesn't help me obviously because Nara Bilta lag badi jai. There are 7 people right now watching me trying to get up. I have performance anxiety, but this was a performance anxiety breakdown. But jokes on those losers because this loser was able to get up somehow. And then I went to office, I got done with my presentation, everything was fine. But there's a lesson that I've learned today. If you're in a toxic relationship, you deal with this shit that's probably not for you to deal with. Like how I fell, I could have gotten up. This girl came to help me, fell flat on her face as well, probably even harder, got up and just took the exit. You know who else did that? My therapist. If this isn't a legitimate story to support the fact that someone actually fell for me, I mean, loser.